my name is Gigi and I love to cook. Do you? Me and my mom have a great time in the kitchen, and here's my mom.
Hello. Hi, Gigi.
Hi.
So, where are we going today?
Italy.
Italy, all right. Because we really like to learn about new foods in other places and countries, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Let's make some pizza.
My favorite is pizza margherita.
Let's do it. Should we start rolling some dough?
Yes.
Let me get you a rolling pin. Gigi, what's in pizza margherita?
Olive oil, tomato sauce, fresh basil, and mozzarella cheese.
That sounds great.
I wonder what Italy is like.
Italy is the home of pizza and lots of other delicious food like
Where did pizza margherita come from?
Well, one day while Queen Margherita of Italy was out in the country, she noticed the people eating flatbread. This flatbread was called pizza. The queen wanted to try this pizza, and when she did, she loved it. She asked her baker to make her this pizza every day. He did, and named the special recipe after her, Pizza Margherita.
Wow, that's a cool story. Who the heck is this guy? Now that the pizza dough is ready, you may need some help from your mom and dad to put it on the pizza pan.
Some help? Gigi, what do you put on the pizza first?
Olive oil.
Great. Beautiful. What comes next? What is that?
The sauce.
Tomato sauce?
Yeah, tomato sauce.
That looks great. Now what? What is that?
Basil.
Oh, fresh chopped basil. Okay, and the last ingredient?
Cheese. Mozzarella cheese. You may need some help from your mom and dad to help you put it in the oven because it's really hot.
Yes, it's really hot. We need to bake it at 450 degrees for about 20 minutes. Are you ready to put it in the oven?
Hold on.
Ready? Okay. Now we have to wait.
That looks good.
Now we need to let it cool before we cut it so we don't burn our mouths. Watch out. Okay? Gigi, what's the most important thing about cooking together?
Eating together.
Shall we eat?
Scrumptiouso.